I have a lot of people that I know that always need to borrow money. Okay, I'm sure we all have somebody in our lives that asks us for money from time to time. My biggest thing that I do not understand is that people don't see the value inside of whole life insurance. Now, I would be the first to say that you need to have your dollars working for you and they need to be buying you assets. But inside of whole life insurance, your dollars are there to be saved and earn interest. And then from there, you can leverage that policy to go buy other assets that maintain their value outside of having just dollars. So I think it's really important to have a true savings account. Most of the time when you have a savings account at the bank, you have some kind of debit card attached to that. And you're probably just simply saving up dollars and you spend those dollars. You save up dollars and you spend those dollars. And it's kind of, that's the rat race, right? It's kind of like just going back to zero. What I suggest for people, and especially the individuals asking me for money, if you're seeing this video, you need to get a whole life insurance policy, especially if you're a younger person. You need to get a whole life insurance policy while you don't have any health issues and you have a longer life expectancy right now. If you get whole life insurance, you're going to be able to save dollars where they never go anywhere. So every dollar, just imagine if you had every single dollar that you ever made in your entire life right now, how much different would your life look? That's what whole life insurance will allow for you to do, because when you put dollars into your whole life insurance policy, it's going to buy you a larger sum of dollars. That larger sum of dollars we call a death benefit. And then from there, you're going to be able to borrow. You're going to be able to borrow against that death benefit, which is a future value that goes to your family when you die. You're going to borrow against that to buy yourself things right now in the present and to pay off debts and to be able to purchase the things that you need and want so that you don't have to ask me or other people for money. Now, you're always going to want to leverage credit, and it's never a bad idea to use OPM, other people's money. But when you have to use other people's money and it costs you more than the opportunity cost of you using your own dollars, by you having that liquidity and being able to take care of something, you're going backwards, not forward. Now, if I'm going to take a loan from the bank and I'm going to buy a piece of property and then I rent that piece of property out, or maybe I flip that piece of property for a larger sum of cash than what I originally borrowed from the bank, that's a great way to use OPM. If I have dollars inside of my policy that buy me a death benefit and then I borrow against that death benefit to go and buy assets, that's a great way to use OPM, because when I borrow from my whole life insurance policy, I'm borrowing from a future value that the insurance company has to give my family. Therefore, those are not my dollars. All of my dollars that I put into the policy are there, and they never went anywhere for the rest of my life. Great way to use OPM. Using OPM to rob Peter and pay Paul, borrowing $500 from me to pay someone else that you owe $500 to, only to then owe me $500 plus interest that is the same or even greater than the debt that you just paid off. Not a really good way to use OPM. So let's make sure we understand how to leverage ourselves, how to leverage other people's money, and more importantly is that you could be building an account that gives you access to more of your own dollars. When you put your dollars into a whole life insurance policy and you buy yourself that death benefit, you're still using other people's money. It's just that these are your dollars that are owed to you in the future. So while they are owned by the insurance company, because you're not dead, you don't need a death benefit, you're not dead, right? You're still alive. While those dollars are owed to your family in the future, you can borrow OPM and use those dollars right now to help yourself in the present. So while you're focused on building credit or even credibility, why don't we focus on building cash? I think you should have a whole life insurance policy. Hands down, it's the best savings account that you could possibly have for your dollars to grow, and also to have access to them with no restrictions, no penalties or fees, and you can use it right now when you need it.